Hi, I'm Dan Nicol from Dan Really Likes Wine, holding a bottle of history. Now, 2018, the date of this particular vintage, might not sound terribly historic, but 1685, which is there in slightly smaller font, certainly is, because that's the year when Boschendal got started. And now, more than 300 years later, it is flourishing, making some terrific wine and paying tribute to those early days, because Lanoy on the label here refers to Nicholas Lanoy. He is the man who founded Boschendal, and I think he'd be rather happy with what has emerged more than 3 centuries later. This 2018 Cabernet Sauvignon means it's just got a little bit of extra time on it. 4 years, now we're in 2022, so it's taken some of the edge off the tannin of a Cabernet Sauvignon that comes out of an estate that is making some really, really good red wine at the moment. It's a terrific estate, it's making some cracking wine and at unbeatable prices if you're shopping at Pick n Pay. Now normally this would be 480 Rand a case. It comes down to just 360 Rand. It is a monumental saving, and with a bottle of Cabernet Sauvignon that's not just drinking delightfully but has that extra bottle age to it, it really is a champion buy. And I think Nicholas Lanoy, 300 and something years later, with apologies to my maths teacher at high school, would be very pleased indeed. I might not be able to do those maths. I can tell you though that this is a great deal, and there's one added benefit. If you buy any bottle of Boschendal, any case of Boschendal over the course of February and you're a member of the Pick n Pay Wine Club, you will score for yourself an entry into a competition to win 13,000 Rand worth of Boschendal wine. It is a staggering prize. It's a great deal already. So get on down to Pick n Pay, shop for some Boschendal in February, enjoy your Valentine's month, enjoy a bit of history from Nicholas Lanoy, and who knows, maybe you'll be enjoying 13,000 Rand of wine as well. Cheers. To join the Pick n Pay Wine Club, simply SMS your smart shopper number to 36775. It's absolutely free, and you'll get for yourself 3 times the smart shopper points on every bottle of wine bought. You'll also get a 20% discount on 10 different wines each month, a 25% discount on a case of wine, and a Magnum, some terrific competitions and invitations to awesome events.